Oh, yes. Just so that I understand, if you do not come, the court will dismiss the case and will not sign an order. Oh. At the full hearing, be prepared to explain your request to the judge. Both you and the respondent may be asked questions by the judge, the lawyers, or one another about your request and your statement. Yes. The judge will decide whether or not to sign the extreme risk protection order. Yes. Now it says, how long does the order last? It lasts at least 1 year, but it can be renewed for additional 1 year periods. Any motion request to renew must be filed within 105 days before the order expires. Now, those respondents must surrender their firearms and concealed pistol licenses. Yes. And if not surrendered immediately, the respondent must surrender them within 48 hours of being served or of receiving the order. Yes. Now it says here the respondent may file a motion to terminate the extreme risk protection order only one time. Yes. During the 1 year period the order is in effect. Oh, the respondent must prove that uh, is there a reason why you didn't put SHE or she, or he does not pose a significant danger? You ran out of room. I mean, you can't spell the whole word SHE. Looks like there might be a typo in this. Now, could you get me the S /HE in all the literature of the state of Washington? Yes. It means that she, yes, it's not she or he. Now, I know the state of Washington, the administration office of the courts, yes. As I had been reading the RCWs, it's actually 90 days, but you allow for an additional 15 days for those two. Well, I just wanted to know, okay? Now, let's see here. I got a packet, protection order packet. Yes, there's some significant differences. Ooh. Well, I thought a protection. Oh, well, you wanted to go through the extreme protection order packet? Seemed like did you pass some laws that I wasn't aware of? Because it looks very similar to the protection order. Yes. Now you have what's known as the petitioner's name, but no date of birth versus the respondent. Yes. Petition for an extreme risk protection order. General information. I am a family or household member of the respondent. Yeah. Spouse or former spouse, current or former domestic partner, current or former cohabitant, blood relation other than a parent, your cousins, your aunts, your uncles, any of the distant relatives could apply for one of these. Ouch! Current or former legal guardian, step parent or stepchild, parent or child. I mean, anybody could actually ask the court for one of these. I'm filing on behalf of the sheriff's department. Yes, I've already notified the respondent's family or household members and any known third parties who may be at risk of violence or capital OR. My agency will make a good faith effort to provide notice to them by telephone, email, or in person. uh, you just call all the family members. Yeah. This is the sheriff of Clallam County. I wanted you to know that we're taking all the guns from your nephew. Yes. And we have reports that he's dangerous. Right. He sits in front of the Masonic Temple every fucking day. Or you send him an email. Pooch. I sent 2 million emails to those that are oaths, badges, and attorneys about child abduction. Yes. They said I was crazy for understanding. Ooch. Why don't you? Oh. Well, it looks like the agency makes a good faith effort to provide notice to them by calling them. Yes. Sending them emails, or they will personally speak to them. And since you can be a blood relation other than a parent or child, yes, anybody could get one of these against any person. You know, it's probably my great aunt on my mother's sister's left side that thinks that I'm a dangerous person. And then you call all of my relatives. Now, I know there's no privacy, no confidentiality, there's no rights to the individual that allegedly has some sort of weapon that is going to. It's as if you can do whatever the fuck you want. Now, I reside in this county. Oh, I'm filling on behalf of a law enforcement located in this county. The respondent resides in this county. Now, describe below any firearms the respondent currently owns, possesses, or has custody of, or controls. Yes. Now, I actually don't have any firearms. I've never had any firearms, but some reason you issued a weapon surrender form where the protected person didn't sign it. These extreme risk protections. Oh, a shotgun, an assault rifle. Oh! Everybody better put their guns away today because, as long as a police officer says, yeah, well, we had reports that you actually have. Oh, check all the boxes that apply. Had access to someone else's firearm. I was in the house of somebody that had a gun permit, and they showed me their firearms, and I thought, what? I could take it for myself. Has unlawfully or recklessly used, displayed, or brandished a firearm. Respondent recently acquired a firearm. Yes, I went to a gun shop and got myself a license to own firearms. Yes. The police found out about it, and there wasn't a protection order, but my great aunt on my wife's right side, yes, she doesn't like guns. No! No, she doesn't. She decided to call the police and have one of these extreme protection. When you have an ex-wife that has held your son's hostage for 7 years and 3 months, yes. Her side of the family said the guy's going to go for it. Okay, he's going to go for it, so we're going to issue one of No, I know. Okay, I know. A lot of these disillusions, when you take that children in the middle class, yes, she filed for a default dissolution of marriage, and I had responded within the 90 days. Just read the Kitsap court rules. 90 days. But I was arrested at the same time. I can't fucking believe this.